Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at the highly anticipated Toyota Hilux 2023. Toyota has been working hard to bring us the latest iteration of this legendary pickup, and we're excited to see what it has to offer. Let's dive in! The Toyota Hilux 2023 boasts a rugged and muscular exterior design that is sure to impress. The front grille has been updated with more prominent Toyota logo and sharper headlights, giving it a more aggressive and modern look. The vehicle's body lines are sleek and aerodynamic, while the bold wheel arcs and sculpted sides give it a tough and durable appearance. The rear of the vehicle features new taillights and a redesigned bumper, which completes the overall look of the truck. The interior of the Toyota Hilux 2023 is spacious, comfortable, and practical. The cabin features premium materials and the seats are comfortable, making it perfect for long drives. The infotainment system is up-to-date and innovative, with a large touchscreen display that provides access to a variety of features such as navigation, climate control, and entertainment. The vehicle also comes equipped with a premium sound system which ensures an immersive audio experience. Under the hood, the Toyota Hilux 2023 comes with a range of powerful and efficient engine. The base model comes with a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder diesel engine which delivers 148 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. There's also an optional 2.8-liter 4-cylinder diesel engine that delivers 201 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. Both engines are paired with a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission, which provides smooth and responsive shifting. The Toyota Hilux 2023 is known for its exceptional off-road capability, and the latest iteration is no exception. The truck comes with a range of features that makes it perfect for off-road driving, such as locking rear differential, hill descent control, and low-range 4-wheel drive system. The truck also has impressive ground clearance, which ensures that it can tackle even the toughest terrain with ease. The Toyota Hilux 2023 comes equipped with a wide range of advanced safety features. Some of the features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. The truck also comes with a range of airbags, which ensures the safety of the driver and passengers. The Toyota Hilux 2023 is an impressive pickup truck that combines style, comfort, and performance. The exterior and interior design are top-notch, and the range of engines provides excellent power and fuel efficiency. The advanced off-road capabilities make it perfect for adventurous drivers, while the advanced safety features ensures that the driver and passengers are safe at all times. We're excited to see the Toyota Hilux 2023 on the road, and we think it's going to be a hit with pickup truck enthusiasts. Thank you for watching.